Hello everyone, today I'm starting Unit 15 from Math Learner book for grade 3. Let's start angles and movement. An angle is the amount of turn between two lines that meet each other at a single point. So draw a line that show a quarter turn clockwise. First of all, what is quarter? What is a half? For example, we have a circle. This is a whole circle. When we are making divide into two equal parts, a circle. So this two parts. This is called the half part, 1/2 of a circle, and this also half of a circle. So these are half of a circle. Now after this, if we further divide it into four equal parts, the same circle, so the each part is called a quarter. This is one quarter, this one quarter, this one. So there are four quarter in a circle. So same like this in the clock, we have four quarters starting from 12, then 1, 2 until again coming 12. So we are completing a whole circle, a whole turn. So a quarter turn clockwise. So quarter means starting from here until here. So you can make it starting here and stop here. This is clockwise. Clockwise means as the clock minutes hand, hours or second hand moving, it's moving forward like this. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called clockwise. Anti-clockwise, it's mean the opposite side from back. 12, 11, 10 like this. So a quarter turn anti-clockwise. So it's coming here. Only one quarter. If we say half, so you will come here, complete half circle. And a half turn clockwise. It's starting from here, not stop here, coming here and complete a half circle. So this is a half turn clockwise. And if you are talking about a half turn anti-clockwise, starting from here and stop here. Start from this line and then complete half circle. Question number 2. For each line that you drew in question 1, write one thing that you notice. So if we can say, if we're moving clockwise 2 times, it's complete a circle. This is a half turn. So if I complete 2 turns, so it's come back to the same position from where it started. So or you can write any other a line which it's coming in your mind. Let's move page number 237, unit 15. An angle is an amount of turn. Knowing about north, south, east, and west. North, it's mentioned here. South on the opposite of north, east on the right, and west on the left side. So when you're moving or telling someone the way, so you should say these words. Yeah, you can say first move northward, then left, west, then east. Okay, then 2 step east or 3 step left, like this. You can tell the way. So let's start 15.1. An angle is a measurement of turn. It tells us the amount of turn from one position to another. So you can see these are the angles are different. This is the small, less than 90-degree angle, or less than a quarter, you can say. Quarter mean, as I told on the previous, the fourth part of a circle. So it's actually the shape of L, and we are saying this quarter, a right angle. A right angle, excuse me. So right angle, it's complete the shape of L. For example, this is exactly the shape of L from any side. Right angle. If I make it here a line, this is a right angle. This, if I make here a line, this is a right angle. This corner is a right angle. Why? It's making exactly the shape of L. This one making exactly the shape of the. So it's the right angle. A quarter turn in any direction is called a right angle. So if two right angles together, actually one right angle it's equal to 90 degrees. If we are using protractor, we can find the degree. It's 90 degree. If two right angles together, so this is like 90 plus 90, because if there is two 90 degrees, this 90 degree and make another 90 degree. On the opposite side, this is also 90 degree because it's also the shape of a. So 90 plus 90, 180. Or 90 plus 90, 180 is the half of a circle. So it's also called a half turn, starting from here until here. At the center, it's 90. So both, it's 180 degree. Same like this, a two half turn, the same direction. This is the one half turn coming here, and the second half turn, it's come to the same position as I told in the last page. So this is 180 plus 180 equal 360. Let's move to the next page. Exercise 15.1. We are going to make a right angle measure. Take a piece of paper, fold it in a half, fold it in half again. So you have made a right angle. Obviously, you made a right angle because you make a quarter. When you are moving, folding paper two times, first you are making a half, and then the second time you are making a quarter. Find angle, right angle in your classroom. For example, any shape, any shape have L side, it's a right angle. This one, right angle. Same. This is 180. Complete. This one, a right angle. The four corners. So these are question B. Draw what you find, make the angle. So anything in your room, like table, chair, you can draw it and then circle the right angle if you find it. For example, this is a window, a door, and then you can find here different angles, right angles on the corners. Page number 240. Use the right angle measure to find in your classroom four right angles, four angles that are greater than right angle, four angles that are less than a right angle, greater than like this and less than like this. And four angles, right angle, same like the shape of it. Right angles, we can see there is a table and at least two. We can write it and whiteboard. These are right angle, greater than right angle, like your book. your notebook, and the last less than right angle, anything in the class, you can write it like you can also, it's if they're less than right angle, it's the acute angles. If more than right angle, it's obtuse angle. Okay, less than right angle, you can write when you're writing with pencil. When you're sitting on the chair and putting your arm on the table, this is the angle, less than right angle. And sometime chair, the down portion of the chair, it's not exactly right angle, it's less than right angle. Like a chair, it's like this. In the opposite direction, the tire. So this is less than right angle, this one, and this one. So it's not necessary you write or draw the same thing. You can write any other thing in your class, less than, equal right angle, or more than right angle, greater than right angle. You can draw or write the name, both correct. You are at the campsite. What can you find? What can you see if you look west? We can see here east, north, west, and south. So if we are looking on west side, we will find a school. We write here school. If we look south, it's a pond. If in which direction is the bridge? Bridge is here on the north side. And which side is the forest? On the east side. Now faced west. Now you're standing here. Which direction are you face? If you turn to right angle clockwise. If you're standing west, to right angle clockwise, 1 and 2. So you can see you are now standing on, or your face on the east side. So you can write here east. One right angle anti-clockwise. So if you are here on the west and anti-clockwise, in opposite, so you're standing here. So going backward from west to north, south. So it's south. Every time you're starting on here, three angles, right angle clockwise. Starting from here, west, clockwise, 1, 2, 3. Again, it's south. Using the map, write 2 question. No need question number. Last one. Let's move over to the next page. 242, 242. Imagine that you're facing south, write the instruction that the route from start to finish, starting from here. We are using the word left, right, forward, backward like this. So start with move forward south. South means downside. This is south, one square. And then turn right. How many times? One, two, three, four. Turn right, and here you can write. Turn right, four. Right, like this better. Square. Now turn one right anti-clockwise. Then now we are here. Move one three square. Move three square. To south. Now we are here. Then turn one right anti-clockwise again. Same like this. When you're moving one right anti-clockwise, so you're here now. Your face is this side. Then move one east on this side east. Now you're here. Then turn one right angle clockwise. And the last, you're moving four square. Like this, you're reached here. I write a complete word. If you want to write for square, you write SQ. This one you cannot write complete, so write SQ. And anti-clockwise, write the small. Okay, just ACW. A anti-clock, C clock, and W ATC. So you can use abbreviation. It's easy. Find a different route. Skip by question number 4. Same like this, you will find the route to come down to the finish point. So it's enough. Page number 243. Think like a mathematician, work with a partner. Okay, there is a, you can see up here he want to come to the river. So we are finding the way, the same thing. We are using three boxes, using north, east, west, or south. So, question number one, it always walk along the path and it always walk toward the river. How many steps east can the hippo walk before it has to turn? Mostly it's using 3 3 because there are 3 3 boxes. So we can write here. So how many steps? So it's 3 steps. How many steps south? Again 3 steps. 3 steps. And how many steps east does the hippo have to walk total? Again 3 steps. Because there are 3 boxes vertically and horizontally. How many different routes can the hippo take? There are 18 or 20 boxes, 20 routes they can take it from vertically or horizontally. 18 or 20. Can the hippo ever walk north? No, obviously no. Because on the north side it's going straight and straight. So we can never write yes. Can the hippo ever walk west? No. Not north always or not west or east always. So we write no. G and H, no need. Page number 245. Write the instruction to get from start here to the school. So where you are, first start here. You want to go to the school, so first you are moving uh, to the east or to the south or to the north. You are following this direction, moving forward, moving straight. Okay, at the north, add 2 steps if you are walking, and then on the right, sorry, on the left, move on the left one angle and anti-clockwise, and then again move forward to the west 2 steps, 2 square, 2 boxes. So you come to the school. If you're walking, if you're using bus, then it's the different route. So it's upon you. Which one easy for you? You can write it. Question number 6. Draw what you can see. Turn half a turn clockwise. Draw what you can see. Turn another half turn clockwise. Draw what you can see. This is simple. When you're starting from, for example, I'm taking a circle or a square, anything, and the teacher face here, or you're standing at this position. Okay, turn half clockwise. So when you are turning half clockwise, so it's coming from here and here. This is half clockwise. Turn another half clockwise. It's coming from here and come. So now where you are, or at the same place from where you start. So you can write here the drawing should be the same as the first drawing. Okay, at the same place from where you start, you're at the same position. You stop here in the next video. I will start check your progress. Bye bye.